Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair Mili MiTag with FindMy app on iPhone. And to do this, first we'll need to make sure that our tag is enabled, powered on. And you can do this by clicking and holding this button right here for 5 seconds. If it makes double beep, that means you've just powered it off and we'll need to power it on. So let's make sure that it's powered off. Mine just powered on with that sound, and now I'm gonna power it off. With that double beep, that means we just powered off our device, and now simply click on it once to power it on. Now we can leave it be and move to the app FindMy, and you can find it on the App Store, but it should be already installed on your iPhone. Now move to devices, click on this plus button, and here we want to add the other item. It will search for it. MiTag, click on connect. Now you can name your icon, your device. So for example, if you're attaching it to your keychain, you can name it FindMy house keychain. Continue. We can add the emoji for it, and it will be linked to my Apple ID. Let's click on agree, finish, and it was just added to my FindMy. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.